Hello there everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do something a little bit different in the sense that it's going to be a vloggy style video. I'm going to show you the process of how we make the candles, the new studio, and then I'm doing some label printing. Firstly, so this is the home studio setup for me. This is where I do most of the marketing and development side of things. So we make no candles here. It's over at Mum's house where we make the candles, and she's now got a new studio shed thing which I want to show you, and I wanted to do it in a vloggy style. So first of all, we got to pack up, got the camera gear because I'm going to record a few videos as well. So yeah, got to pack up my stuff, take that over. It's a little bit rainy today, which is kind of annoying, but it's fine because most of it's going to be indoors. This is the Beloit studio. This is where I'm going to do some videos today. Let me explain it to you. Right. Shut the door. So, welcome to the Beloit studio. Wow, the acoustics in here. So, we've got the sort of workstation where we're going to do the work. Nice solid wood, which matches with the wood of this. Mum doesn't want to paint it, so that's completely fine. But that's where the work's going to go. We're going to have racking units up here, so to keep everything on, keep our stuff to make the candles, stuff to pack the candles, and then we're going to get a desk or kind of worktop space, which is going to be classed as like our packing area and a shipping area. So if we want to ship out a product, we can do it all from there. All connected to stuff, so we've got lights and things like that. Very orange, not to my liking. But yeah, so this is the Studio 2.0. So we've got to somehow work out how we can get all this stuff. So the two racking units. So here they're going to go into the thingy. This is basically my parents' sort of other area. Ah, look at this. This is really cool. So we've got a stamp made. Don't know if you can see it, but that's the Beloit stamp. Let's put it in focus. Turns out like this. Yeah, so we've got to put all of this over into the Studio 2.0.